All right, look, let's get the stuff. We're gonna bolt. Just like that. This out here, man.
Same shit, different summer.
What are you doing here, Robbie?
Found your stash. You're gonna give it all back.
The hell we are.
You didn't learn your lesson last time. It's cool. We can give you a refresher course.
Bring it.
Damn. What, you forgot this was a three-man job? Yo, for a smart kid, you sure do learn slow.
Maybe we need to leave him with something to remember us by. Let him go.
Don't listen to him. All right, Grandpa. Let's do it.
Your grandpa know how to move like that, huh? Come on, let's go.